These are the branch. This is a branch piece that we did. 24 this way, 36 the other way. 10 cookies that we made. That is actually a branch piece, believe it or not. The tree was I think it was 164 years old, if I remember. I counted, I got it written down. But that's Mark Hutchinson's place that came off of Shoal Road. About a couple miles from here. And that is actually a branch piece. And that is not the main trunk. Main trunk was 57 inches diameter one way and 74 inches diameter the other way, DBH. She's a big old girl. And what is that? Come on. Flip. But why is this not flipping? It's not flipping. Anyway, my camera won't flip. Huh. But anyway, that's what we did today. 10 cookies. Of course, we had some problems with the mill. Getting Tristan. He's learning how to run the forklift. Doing pretty decent. Drilling good at getting the saws, running the saws. But other than that, I'm going to go and get warm. Get some aspirin because my back hurts.